A federal judge received an ethics violation after publicly criticizing Supreme Court Justice Samuel Alito in an op-ed published by the New York Times. Federal justices must abide by an ethics code, which says you cannot publicly criticize a sitting Supreme Court justice. The federal judge reprimanded Michael Ponsor criticizes Alito over a controversy he was at the center of this summer, flying flags outside of his homes that mirrored those used by Trump supporters, one being an upside-down American flag, and another, a Revolutionary-era flag known as the Appeal to Heaven flag. Both of these flags were carried outside the Capitol on January 6th by Trump supporters, symbolic in their movement. At the time of the controversy, Alito came out to say the flags on his properties were of his wife's doing and not his. Still, the ethical questions led to Democratic lawmakers asking the justice to recuse himself from certain January 6 related cases at the time, while Republican lawmakers backed Alito, saying no ethics violations were committed. But with a partisan divide over the controversy, it led Ponsor to write this, which led to his ethics violation. The New York Times op-ed headline reads, "A federal judge wonders, how could Alito have been so foolish?" To put it bluntly, any judge with reasonable ethical instincts would have realized immediately that flying the flag then and in that way was improper and dumb. You just don't do that sort of thing, whether it may be considered over the line or just edging up to the margin. Flying those flags was tantamount to sticking a "Stop the Steal" bumper sticker on your car. You just don't do it. A conservative legal group filed a complaint against the judge after the op-ed published, and an appeals court judge sided with them, saying Ponsor crossed a line. Ponsor has since issued a public apology, which resolved the complaint. Ponsor saying, "For these violations of the code, unintentional at the time but clear in retrospect, I offer my unreserved apology and my commitment to scrupulously avoid any such transgression in the future." While federal judges have an ethics code to follow, to which Ponsor was found to have broken, Supreme Court justices don't have a formal ethics code they are bound to follow. But there's been some bipartisan calls from lawmakers to create one, which picked up steam after the Alito flag controversy, but ultimately seemed to have fizzled out of the news cycle. Thanks for watching our news update. For more stories that matter to you, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit us online at san.com.